Hey guys, it's me and Edward here. We just found a peacock. We're at the park and we're looking at a wild peacock right now. Do you see it? Look at that. It's so cool.
Hey guys, the Peacock came in here today and I'm at a park along with Ethan. And I am looking at a peacock.
Look at that. It's so awesome.
It's amazing.
Look at that. Look at the tail.
It's got a blue neck.
This is not fake. It's a real peacock. Oh, sorry, I'm in your camera. This is a real peacock.
This is a real peacock, guys. It's not edited.
To be honest, I don't even really know how to edit, so not edited for sure.
This is my 5th vlog, guys.
This is like I think this is my 4th vlog.
I hope you guys liked it.
Let's just
This is a real peacock, by the way.
get one more closer look at his face.
I hope you guys enjoyed.
Look at that peacock. Shoot. Go! Go! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it called my friends. I think it called his friends. I think it's gonna go wacko on us.
Oh shoot.
Alright
I
guys.
wish you were ended.
Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace.